Hey guys, it's Digital Daisy here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your hair really cool pastel colors with this dye I bought at the pharmacy. It's called Wow Semi-Permanent Hair Color and it was really cheap and I think it's really cool. This one is number 4 and it's purple, and this one is number 1 and it's blue. Okay, so what you're going to be needing is obviously your hair color, a bowl, and this thingy which I already had lying around. You don't get it with the dye, so you will have to buy one, and then obviously an old t-shirt. There's nothing fancy about these. You only get your hair color like this in the little tube, and then you get some gloves. Now I don't know this brand, but the packaging is really cute, so I'm just gonna say it's reliable. I'm gonna get right into this, but before I do that, I just want to tell you guys, I recommend that you do a test with this and just put a little bit of the hair color here on your skin and leave it on for 24 hours just to see if you have an allergic reaction to this, because if you do put it on your hair and you're allergic to this, it could go really bad and you could lose your hair permanently even, so I recommend that you do this test beforehand. Okay, I'm going to start off with the blue because I'm going to put that on my roots and I want it to kind of fade into a purple. I'm going to squeeze this in right now and I'm going to see if it looks too dark. If it does, I'm just going to add some conditioner to make it lighter to make sure that it comes out pastel. So here it goes. Oh jeez. I'm just gonna wing it. Just get a little bit in there. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now, and it looks really dark, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of conditioner to it to make it a little bit lighter. I think that's about enough, and I'm just gonna mix this in here. Okay, so I'm gonna start off on the roots. Wow, this is really hard without a mirror. Okay, so this is what the blue looks like right now, and I look ridiculous, but it looks like it's gonna take really nicely to my hair, and now we can start with the purple. And then just put a little bit of conditioner into that as well. Okay, that's about enough. And then that's what it looks like with the conditioner in it. And then I'm just going to start applying that to the hair that doesn't have glue on. And I'm going to try and like integrate it a little bit. I don't know how, but I'm going to try. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now, and this is how my hands look, and I'm so scared to see what my neck is gonna look like because look at that. It looks really good right now. I just hope that it gives the same effect when I rinse it off. So I'm gonna leave this in for about 30 to 45 minutes and so this is the result, and I'm really disappointed because as you can see the blue didn't take to my hair at all, but it looks like it's gonna take really nicely to my hair. I don't know if that's maybe because my hair is darker up here, and then the purple came out really light pink, which I don't mind, but I just was expecting something else. So I would say that was a big waste of money, but yeah. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and go subscribe to Digital Daisy.